Hey, do your dang maintenance. Hello everybody and welcome back to another exciting Tall Man Moto episode. Am I connected? Okay, good. Are you guys level? It's good. Sorry, I didn't mean to finger you. Not like that. Grow up. Hello, welcome to the first 70-degree day in the Pacific Northwest of 2022. That dog has a dress on. So we're only 2 months away? 2 months away from the giant loop ride. I'm excited. If you haven't done so already, go check your tire pressures and don't forget to lube your chain, because it's spring. Your bike needs to be loved. Don't be a jerk. So we need to start today's episode off with a bit of an apology. Listen, I'm not saying I'm wrong, but some of us are lucky enough to know the excitement of buying a brand new motorcycle, and it's an obligatory thing to take a selfie and post it on the social medias. You know, maybe like that. Well, here's the deal. A friend of mine bought a motorcycle, and it was a Ducati. And I'm not going to say anything about Ducatis, because I'm apologizing. But I may have cracked a joke. Listen, I just quoted, okay? I just quoted the great Macklemore, who was the one who said, Dookie on the Ducati. And he was like, hey man, well, why'd you do that? You don't be a butthead. And I was like, oh, I didn't know it was a new bike. I didn't, you know, nobody wants their fancy new bike to be joked on. So, Damien, formally, in front of the entire social media, I'm sorry for making fun of your new bike. It is a Ducati. I am genuinely sorry for poking fun. You gotta wait like 6 months. Okay, three months. At least a week before you poke fun somebody's new bike. But that's exciting. It's always exciting to get a new motorbike. So nothing really too exciting today. I'm off to Oak Habre. My mother bought fancy Wi-Fi smart locks and doesn't even begin to know how to install them or set them up. So I guess I'm going to pretend like I do. Oh yeah, get that lean. Get that lean, baby. And go. Ride responsibly, boys and girls. So yeah, guys, giant loop ride. Hopefully you've signed up, because there is only a waiting list now. If you didn't sign up, you are out of luck. Get on that waiting list though, because, you know, people always do things and then back out. So hopefully none of you will, because I would love to see you all there and share beers with you, and also, you know, ride motorcycles. Get on the waiting list. And if you haven't paid your whole thing, here's your friendly reminder, because guess who else has not paid their full thing yet? I need to do it by April 30th, and you do too. So make sure you get paid in full. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm super excited. And also, if you haven't done your spring maintenance, do it. Check the tire pressure, do the chain cleaning and lubing. You probably need to change oil. I know at some point I do. Take care of your motorcycles. It's important, even if it is a Ducati. I'm sorry, it's a joke. Has it been a week yet? Gas is $97 a gallon, and I'm not even sure that's entirely a joke, depending on what state you live in. I heard gas is 7-something a gallon down in California. What the hell? Gas people, that's dumb. Fix it. Hey, Exxon, Chevron CEOs, get your shit together. Sorry for swearing. But also, I paid $5.15 for 2 gallons of gas the other day. $5.15 a gallon. It's bullshit. Sorry again. Ah! Oh, Jesus. Ah! Oh, Jesus. My bird almost got it. I didn't want bird guts all over me. Definitely not crashing to save a bird's life. Sorry, bud. But look at that, huh? Look at that. Don't worry, I'm looking forward. Camera's looking that way. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I do believe for realsies this time, that's the end of Tall Man Moto. The episode, not its entirety. But hey, If you don't, if you aren't subscribed, you should, please. I like it when I get new ones, subscribers, and socks. I love new socks. Like and subscribe and share me with your friends. La-ti-da-ti-da, you all know. Guess what? It's outro time. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye. This is my outro song. Time to remember to like and subscribe. Ding that dong and follow along on my motorcycle adventures. Do 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 do.